we have a problem that requires polynomial division. Now, I know it sounds scary. It's not. There's nothing here that you don't know how to do. But the first thing I notice in this problem is that you have 1, 2, 3 expressions that can all be factored. Now, let's go ahead and factor them. So for this one right here, what multiplies together to get positive 10 and adds together to get negative 7? Well, negative 10 and negative 5. Negative 5 and negative 2 multiply together to get positive 10 and add together to have a sum of negative 7. So this factors to x minus 5 times x minus 2. This one here is a difference of squares. X squared is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square. So we can factor this as a difference of squares, and as we were reminded earlier today, a difference of squares has a binomial pair of factors with an addition and subtraction problem in each one. The square root of x squared is x, so that's going to go here. The square root of 4 is 2, so we're good. Now when you're dividing by a fraction, you're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So this is going to end up here, and this is going to end up down here. So we're going to have x minus 3 in the denominator. What multiplies together to get negative 6, but adds together to get negative 1? Well, negative 3 and positive 2. So we end up with x minus 3 times x minus 2. So now it's time to reduce things. Oh, sorry, x plus 2. Because negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So we're now going to reduce things. What can I reduce? Well, I see I have an x minus 2 in the numerator and an x minus 2 in the denominator, so that will cancel. I notice now that I have an x plus 2 in this numerator, an x plus 2 in that numerator. Sorry, I should have said denominator here. And now I can't do a whole lot with, sorry, I miswrote this. I cannot do a whole lot with x plus 3 and x minus 3 because they're not the same. I can't multiply by negative 1 to make it work out right. It's just not going to work. So now I'm left with multiplying my pieces together. X minus 5 times x minus 3. And we just have 1 in the denominator here, 1 times x plus 3. And that's it. We are done. So when you're given a problem that requires polynomial division, make sure that you have everything in factored form, reduce, and then multiply the pieces together.